Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Specialista espresso machine. Now for this machine we really had to do a lot of work, as we literally had to disassemble the entire machine in order to get this frame out of here and install the new frame of the machine. Now as you can see in this frame, let me see if I can get you a little bit of light so you can see a bit better. There you go. As you can see right there, these are the portafilter holders. They were completely broken on this machine, and the portafilter was never going to actually make a good seal to the groove head gasket. So we literally had to replace the entire frame, unfortunately. This is the motherboard side. This is the part of the thermo block, where the thermo block is. This is where the tank is located. And this is where the water pumps are located as well. There's one over here and then another one over here, plus a little board on this area and a bunch of other parts and some advanced assemblies that are in here. So we really had to disassemble the entire machine in order to get that piece out. Once we had that in, we put everything back together. We replaced the gasket of the machine. We replaced the groove head as well, and we also replaced the top of the groove head since we were already there. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing out this machine. Then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam. Now that we just grinded some coffee, we're gonna use the tamper. Insert the portafilter to the groove head. And now we can brew that shot. As you can see, the espresso range definitely goes to the optimal zone. We're having a nice steady stream coming out of the machine, excellent flow, and the perfect quantity as well. This machine is already programmed to deliver this quantity, and I'm not going to reprogram or adjust anything of that. As you can see, nice shot of espresso, good crema, looking great. Hot water for this machine. It's a nice steady stream as well. And now we're going to be testing the steamer. Now, in order to do for this machine to do steam, the thermal block on the back of the machine is to get up to temperature. Once it does, the tiny little pump that is located here on the machine will heat up the thermal block that's located right here and dispense steam just like you see right now. As you can see, excellent pressure coming out of the steam one. Working really great. Working fairly fine. And also we have a nice shower coming out from the groove head with the pre-infusion phase and the extraction phase, as we see right there. Working excellent. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Specialista working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.